Hello guys, good morning. Once again, we're going to troubleshoot this cooling window type in the inverter AC. The error of this is H3, which the compressor is not working. Now we are going to troubleshoot what's the problem of this, guys. Okay. Okay guys, after inspection and seeing what's the problem of this, now I noticed that this IPM is melted some pins of this. Now what we gonna do is to resolder this IPM. This is the preliminary we will do. Let's see if it is going to work. I will solder the IPM resolder. Okay guys, we're going to test and put the compressor. Now guys, let's take a look at it if the compressor is going to work after resolder the IPM. We will wait at least 3 minutes to turn on the compressor. Now it's already connected compressor. So this is compressor, and this is the fan motor, and this is the control display. We're gonna wait guys for a couple of seconds to turn on the compressor. Now the compressor, guys, is turning on. We will wait for a speedier of this compressor. Okay guys, thank you very much for your watching this video. The only problem of this is the IPM is being lost. It means the solder were melted again. Okay, see you in next video.